I have the pleasure today to be hanging out with Mr. David Snyder with DMS CPA. And guess what, everybody? It's tax season, so we're going to come to you today and we're going to help you help yourself and get you the best returns that you can. So, David, thank you for being here.
Sure.
And let's talk about a few things today. Well, some things that you shared with me and in the group. Number one, how about some specified service trade or business situations that individuals may be having as far as their returns?
All right. Renee, as you well know, there's a new tax act this year, and it has a 20% deduction for qualified business income. And not to let all of us accountants, real estate agents, lawyers, architects get too big of a deduction, they have these qualified services or these specified services. And there's a limit to the amount of deduction that we can get, but it's relatively reasonable. You know, we're talking about $315,000 is when the phase out starts. So it can very beneficial for still a lot of us professionals.
So what kind of professionals are this? Just to name a few.
Well, actually, athletes, performing artists, accountants, attorneys. They did exempt the engineers and architects. We think the real estate has pretty good lobby. They were helping them with that.
Good. How about that? See, things you just did not know. That's why you have to sit down with David. Meals and entertainment, what's up with that?
Yeah, well, we were given a death watch on the meals and entertainment deduction.
Were we using too much?
Some people might have been writing off a little excess, yes. Well, the bad news is that entertainment is gone. There is no more deduction for entertainment. So
no more lightning tickets?
No. You can pay for them, but they're not tax deductible. So that's terrible. I know, particularly with the Bolts doing as well as they are.
I know, right?
They're kicking it. But thank goodness the meals was salvaged. So we can still eat and get a 50% write-off as long as we are present there, which would be hard to eat if you weren't.
It would be hard just to, hey, David, thanks so much. Here's some food, go. So, good. Did you know that? Did you? And if you're not sitting down with a professional like David, you're missing the boat. How about some other noteworthy changes? Just give us a couple.
Well, you know, I was focusing a little bit on real estate. Some of the changes were non-changes. We were afraid they might do away with or hack away at the 1031 like-kind exchange, but they didn't for real estate. Everything else, personal property, it's a no-go. But real estate you can still do just like we've always done with the like-kind exchanges and defer the tax. So that's great.
That's absolutely phenomenal. We have quite a few clients that like to shelter those returns, if you will,
Yes.
and move them over into their next properties through the 1031. So that sure is good news.
Yes.
David, everybody needs to sit down with you. You're a wealth of knowledge. How do they reach you?
Thank you, Renee. They can reach me by phone if they wish to do that, 727-310-8106. You can also contact me via email, david@dmsnydercpa.com.
So just real quick, David, kind of off the cuff. So we just came off of this big shutdown. Will that affect everyone? Are they going to get a little more time on their returns?
Yeah, I've been asked that question a lot, but there's no indication that we'll get any built-in extension at all. Refunds are about 3 weeks out right now, which is a little slow, but I think they'll catch back up.
Catch up,
Yes.
Sure, good. David, again, thank you so much.
My pleasure, Renee.
I am your realtor, Renee, trying to bring to you the best professionals in our industry so that you can save as much as you can. I'm your realtor, Renee, www.reneemott.com, or you can reach me by phone, always 727-254-9079. Have a great day.